Good morning, Kentuckiana. Thank you for watching us on WHAS 11 Plus. I'm meteorologist Matt Breland, and throughout the morning time, we are going to continue seeing a little bit of this wintry mix last across Kentuckiana. It's going to be a bit of a rainy, snowy mixture that will be falling around as we head throughout the remainder of our morning time. Around 9 a.m., most of that activity will have broken apart, and we're still going to keep things chilly with temperatures in between the upper 20s and the lower 30s. So we could see a few small areas that have a little bit of that icy accumulation of some sleet and possibly even a little bit of light snow. As we head later on into our Monday afternoon, those temperatures will be a few degrees above freezing. And as we settle into the evening hours, we are going to see those clouds try to weaken a bit. And as we trend our way through the overnight hours, the skies will likely clear up and we'll have temperatures dropping back into the upper 20s. So another round of freezing temperatures overnight. Once we enter our Tuesday morning, those clouds will be around for the morning hours, but we'll have a strong wind out of the south. That's going to bring in some more sunshine, likely throughout our Tuesday afternoon. That'll increase temperatures into the lower 40s. We're expected to stay mostly sunny throughout the middle of the day, with those temperatures still ranging into the 40s. And as we head later on into our Tuesday night, overcast conditions start to return back with us as we track another round of rain showers that will have another snowy transition for us. Now, as we head throughout our day tomorrow, we are going to have a windy pattern head our direction. As we enter the first few hours of Tuesday morning, you can expect those winds to periodically gust up to 20 miles per hour. As we head later on into our Tuesday afternoon, we could see some winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour. So still a very windy pattern ahead for our day tomorrow. So keep that in mind. Those winds will still likely continue over into our Tuesday evening as well. Here's an extended look at what we're expecting as we head later on into our week. Our Wednesday still is expected to start off with some passing brief rain showers. As we enter the later hours of our Wednesday afternoon, we will continue to see a little bit of this light rainfall, and those winds are going to start changing direction to be out of the northwest again. That's going to continue to bring in some chilly air and also return some snow chances as we head into the first hours of our Thursday morning. This is likely going to be some light snow that happens just across southern Indiana and for the northeastern portion of Kentucky. So as we continue going throughout our Thursday, most of that activity is going to advance itself farther off towards our east. Later into our Thursday afternoon, the clouds will still be lingering around with us, and we're actually tracking a secondary round of some light snowfall to arrive early Friday morning. So this still could lead to a bit of a wintry setup as we head into our Friday. Friday is also going to bring in some extremely cold temperatures that are really going to be chilly. We're talking about temperatures ranging into the lower teens as we head into our Friday. Here's how we're looking with those snowfall potential totals. Entering from now until early Friday morning, it's likely that we could see at least a trace amount of snowfall across Kentuckiana as we head into the later hours of our Thursday night and early Friday morning as we track those two systems that will be passing through as we go into the later hours of the week. Now, as we head later into the month of December, we are expected to still remain in a cooler than average trend. This means that our high temperatures are still likely going to be below average, and you'll notice in the 7-day details, pay close attention to Friday. Temperatures dropping dangerously low into almost the single digits. So Friday night with that low of 12 degrees is certainly going to bring in some extremely cold weather for us as we head into the end of this week. So definitely a big drop in temperatures as we head later on into our week. That's a look at your 7-day weather details. Remember, there's more weather at WHAS11.com/weather.